Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change language on YouTube. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. It's safe to say that YouTube is the main online destination for videos. Whether you're looking for recipe demonstration, music videos, or even updates from your favorite vloggers, YouTube has something for everyone, no matter where you're from or what language you speak. YouTube isn't just for English language speaker. The site allows you to change the default language in just a few simple steps. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our YouTube. Now you can just go to settings by tap on your profile here. Tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. I'm sorry. You can open your profile. Tap on the upper right corner on the gear icon on here. Tap on general and you'll find there is an option add language. You can just tap on that. You can choose. There is like so much languages that you can choose, like English, Dutch, French. For example, I will change this language to this to Chinese. Now you can tap on change. So your YouTube language will be turns out like this. As you can see, the language is different, right? And you can change these settings anytime you want. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change language on your YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!